Hello students, today we are going to learn our science lesson number 3, properties of natural resources. Let us study about anomalous behavior of water. Usually when the temperature of a substance is lowered, that temperature's density increases and the volume decreases. But water is exception to this rule. Now let us see the activity to study the anomalous behavior of water. Keep a glass full of water in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's take a glass out. We observe that water has started freezing. On observing carefully, we find that water has started freezing from surface in the downward direction. The density of water has been one peculiarity. When water at normal temperature starts cooling, its density increases like the most of the liquids. But below 4 degrees Celsius, density of water starts decreasing. This means that at 4 degrees Celsius, density of water is maximum. And on lowering the temperature below the 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases with increase in its volume. It means that temperature starts falling below 4 degrees Celsius. Water undergoes expansion. This is called anomalous behavior of water. Due to this anomalous behavior of water, aquatic animals in cold country remains alive even after the rivers or lakes freeze in winter. Now let us see the effect of density. Now see the activity on page number 21, 3.9 effect of density. First take two big glasses. Label them A and B. Pour water in each of them. Add 4 to 5 spoons salt in a glass A. Stir it to dissolve the salt completely. Now place a potato in a glass B. What do you observe? The potato sinks in the water. Now remove the potato from the glass B and place it in the glass A. What do you observe this time? The potato floats in the water. How does this happen? Because the density of glass A has increased due to the dissolved salt, and because of this increased density, the potato floats on water. We feel the effect of density of water while swimming. For example, salt is present in a seawater. So the density of seawater is more than the density of water of well or lake. Hence it is easy to swim in a sea water than the well or lake. When salts dissolve in water, its particles spread in the water and they slowly become smaller and smaller, and finally they cannot be seen. That is, they completely mix with water. This is called as dissolving. Now let us see what is meant by solute. The substance that dissolves is called solute. Here salt is solute. Now see the solvent. The substance in which the solute dissolves is called solvent. Here water is solvent. Solution. A mixture formed when a solute completely dissolves in a solvent is called solution. Here that mixture which we get from solute and solvent, that is called solution. Now see the uses of water according to its properties. Water is useful for water transport due to its fluidity. Water falling down from the height is used to generate electricity with the help of a generator. Second use, water is good coolant and is used in a motor vehicle to control the temperature of engine. Third one, many substances are soluble in water, so water is a universal solvent. Water is used as solvent in factories, laboratories, foodstuffs, in various types of biological processes occurring in the body such as digestion, excretion. Water is useful for cleaning purposes such as for bathing, washing utensils, washing clothes, etc. Thank you.